everyone, welcome to my channel, the 1990 GMC Safari. Van is a classic embodiment of rugged reliability and American automotive ingenuity. Born out of the demand for a mid-sized van that could balance the cargo hauling capabilities of a full-size vehicle with the maneuverability of a smaller one, the Safari quickly carved a niche for itself among families, tradespeople, and adventurers alike. Its boxy shape and rear-wheel drive layout gave it the feel of a scaled-down truck, and that's exactly what made it such a versatile machine. Under the hood, the 1990 Safari came equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 engine, a power plant that earned respect for its durability and torque. This engine, shared with many GM trucks of the era, delivered just enough horsepower to make towing trailers and carrying heavy loads practical. The van's body-on-frame construction further added to its toughness, making it one of the few vans in its class that could genuinely take a beating and keep on rolling. This was a vehicle made for hard work, and it showed in every bolt and weld. But the GMC Safari wasn't just about brute strength. Inside, it offered a surprisingly comfortable and customizable interior. Whether ordered as a passenger van or a cargo hauler, the Safari had a range of configurations. Families often went for the passenger version with 3 rows of seating, often wrapped in velour or cloth that defined early 90s style. These seats could be removed to create a cavernous space, perfect for weekend camping trips or cross-country road adventures. Meanwhile, tradespeople appreciated the van's cavernous rear cargo area and dual sliding or barn doors. That made loading tools and equipment a breeze. One of the unique advantages of the Safari was its available all-wheel system, an unusual feature for vans at the time. The AWD version gave drivers added confidence in snowy or off-road conditions, and it became a favorite among those living in mountainous or northern regions. It didn't turn the van into a rock crawler, but it certainly extended its capabilities beyond the paved road. Another reason the 1990 GMC Safari earned its place in automotive history is its mod-friendly nature. Even decades later, van lifers, DIYers, and custom car builders continue to seek out the Safari as a blank canvas. Its simple electronics, tough drivetrain, and boxy dimensions make it ideal for conversion into camper vans, mobile workspaces, or even off-grid living rigs. It's not uncommon to see one with solar panels, a bed platform, and roof racks loaded with gear, living a second life far beyond what GMC originally envisioned. Despite its age, the Safari has developed a cult following. Enthusiasts appreciate its retro charm, robust build, and underdog appeal. It may not have the sleek lines or Tecladon dashboards of modern vans, but it offers something more enduring, a sense of mechanical honesty. When you drive a 1990 GMC Safari, you're piloting a machine that doesn't pretend to be anything other than what it is. It's a tool, a hauler, a cruiser, and for many, a rolling piece of nostalgia. For those lucky enough to find a Safari today, it offers more than just transport. It offers a connection to a time when vehicles were simpler, stronger, and built with a certain gritty charm that's increasingly hard to find. Whether it's parked at a campsite or rolling down the highway, the 1990 GMC Safari is more than just a van. It's a statement.